Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 5th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Aquarius, your channel messages is the 3 of Cups. So I'm getting bitches. The Ugly Bitches Committee. Sponsored by KY Jelly and Duracell batteries, okay? And if it's not the Ugly Bitches Committee, I'm getting girls, beautiful women. Beautiful girls all over the world. And they're so amazing. Okay, I'm getting beautiful women. This could be a pageant, Miss World, something like that. But I'm getting something is beautiful. Beautiful. 3 of Cups. A lot of pretty women or a lot of women. Let's see what your soulmate's tarot spread says. Who is your soulmate? We got the Knight of Wands is a soulmate. So, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, okay? Very athletic guy, or I'm getting him have a lot of stamina. Okay, if that makes any difference, all right? Where will you meet your soulmate? The 3 of Pentacles, you're going to meet them at work, or you're going to meet them right before them drive out. Like both of y'all walk to the parking lot, and you see them at their car, putting things in them car, and they say something to you, or you say something to them. What the 2 of you have in common, the 3 of Wands. We're getting the way on the business. So I'm getting you two on the don't text, on the email, or on the handwrite letters. Also, on the don't use card, on the don't use pin, chip, on the don't use chips, on the use cash. Is a shit pin, my shit ain't pin. People don't pin in the blood. On the love tap down, on the so fucking lazy. On the make that girl have a ride in the fucking dick in order for buy her fucking flowers. But look how easy it is for blood clot tap on the card and get a fucking transaction is. Look how fucking hard you have to be scrolling through these niggas to find somebody you like, right? But look how easy it is for just click tap. My shit is not chipped. In a me, my chip, because I get 2 vaccines, and then when I scan my thing up, it a flash red, and it tell me say I one I have, so the fucker them must chip me and Bluetooth my blood clots, right? But I am getting, when I use handwritten letters and emails, not messages, and me getting when I use cash and don't use chip and don't use debit card. I don't know why that's significant to both of you doing business. What issues do you guys overcome? The Queen of Pentacles, again, something about the money, when you use cash. Now, maybe because when you use cash, you don't know how much money is being spent. You don't know if the Queen of Cups, you don't know if the Queen of Pentacles is stealing from you. I don't think she is. I think if somebody could, they could have taken the whole of the money and run. They haven't, or they haven't yet for whatever reason. So I'm getting going you need to work on trusting the Taurus. Because you feel like the Taurus the money, the Taurus are going to thief the money. You think everybody's a thief. Okay. Some people who have money, them are kleptomaniacs, them are thief too. So you call it kleptomaniac, them are thief, and them have money. That's why some people who have white still have blood clot rape, them are rapists. You had access to it. So I don't know if dangle it in front of our face if I make an offer. I don't know. I don't know what you're doing. Maybe you want to know if somebody got an internship here and then offer them a paid opportunity here and see if they're going to leave. I don't know what you're doing. This is just a bad way to test loyalty. Because jobs test your loyalty with pay. Don't? How your job test your loyalty? Is through your interview skills? No. Them test your loyalty, they pay every week and they make you come back. But you want that girl to come back and fuck you every week and you haven't bought her anything. Your boss is obviously winning. Anyways, what relationship did you share in a past life? The Ace of Cups. Both of y'all were in love. It didn't go far though. It was just maybe one talk and you thought about the person, you fantasized about them, but that's it. So you never actually had sex, kissed, anything in a past life. How can you deepen the relationship? The Magician. So I'm getting both of you going to have to put your heads together and come to a conclusion as to how comfortably you guys can navigate this. So I'm getting the Knight of Wands is always out. So the woman is the one who has to deal with the money. The thing is they don't trust the woman. Because apparently whatever you do, when you cannot keep track of. No, this could be Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. You're going on business with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn woman. I'm getting you keep again bills, but no bills are being paid. And I'm getting accusing you're accusing the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn woman of theft. Something about when you go, I don't know. When I accuse her of thieving something, I don't know what I accuse. But it's something about 2 to 3 people in a business and money missing, and say at the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn woman thief it and go away. My getting is not, she never take it. When you just like to call her a snake, because that's what you are. The only snake I know is the one that's on the pharmacy thing. The only snake I know is Kundalini snake. The only snake I know is that. Snakes are not in Jamaica, not really. You can look at a snake if you want at the zoo, but that's the only place I see a snake, at the zoo. Because some of y'all snaking ass need to be locked the fuck up. Anyways, the devil card just come out. So I don't know if this is 2 man, a scam out, it's 2 man start a business, scam out the whole of the people them and then run off with the money and blame it on the woman who had nothing. She never talked to one blood clot customer. Does she even speak the language? When you blame it on she, when you say she thief the money, that's why the jobs were not done. That's why the customers can't get no refund when you say she, a lie. Me getting 200 teeth the blood clot money, split it down the middle and run off. So this is not your soulmate, this is your blood clot enemy, soul, mate, basically. Basically, that's what the fuck it is. Cause me getting 200 could have worked together, but somebody too fucking greedy. Or apparently, they don't want to share with a girl. Them tell you for coming into the business with them, 2 man and a girl, and then the 2 man was like, yo, fuck that bitch. Okay, no problem. That bitch will be talking to fucking district number 13. That's what the fuck you should know. Pictures and videos. I am the game. We have Libra. If something wasn't shared fairly. We have awards, jealous, and the star card. Maybe you are doing manual labor, but me getting you never talk to the people them, but the people them know you, them know your face, and them know you work with them money. And now the man them thief the money and saying, oh, it's her toxic relationship. Man, the man them not fuck each other, you know. Cause the devil card there, so somebody could have bisexual and you don't know this. That's why them plot, but that's why the 2 band them, the 2 batty man them have blood clot plot on you. Them have 2 blood clot batty and still can't get equal opportunity. You know how much batty worth? Batty worth more than blood clot pussy. And you still, you only have 2 blood clot batty and still can't do what 1 pussy I do. You know batty blood clot sell enough? You know how much for blood clot batty compared to fucking pussy? And you have two batties beside each other still can't blood clot figure out how the fuck the pussy is worked. What the fuck? I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, goodbye.